South Korea will disappear within one generation, casting a pall of impending doom. The most advanced nation on Earth is about to implode. Not from war, not from natural disaster, but from something far more terrifying. There simply won't be enough South Koreans left. Right now in Seoul, for every baby born, there are 4 50-year-olds. The fertility rate has crashed to 0.72 children per woman, the lowest ever recorded in human history. This means that by 2060, South Korea as we know it will cease to exist. The population will shrink by 30%, that's 16 million people vanishing. 1 in 2 people will be over 65. Less than 1 in 10 will be under 25. And only 1 in 100 will be a small child. Picture waking up in 2060 Seoul. The streets are eerily quiet. No children's laughter, no bustling schools. Entire neighborhoods stand abandoned. Half the population is elderly, many living alone or cramped in nursing homes. A shrinking workforce desperately tries to keep basic services running. The economic impact will be catastrophic. The pension system will completely collapse by the 2050s. The workforce will be cut in half. Even with technological advances, the economy will enter permanent recession. Innovation will grind to a halt without young minds driving progress. But the cultural death might be even worse. The generation that gave us K-pop, K-dramas, and Korean cuisine globally will have no one to pass their legacy to. By 2060, 50% of 70-year-olds will have no siblings. 30% will have no children. Young adults will typically be only children, with few peers to befriend. Traditional customs are already struggling to find young practitioners. Schools and universities will close from lack of students. Rural areas will become ghost towns as youth concentrate in Seoul or leave the country entirely. Even national security is at risk. With so few young men, how will South Korea maintain its military against North Korea? To match current force levels, 15% of all combat-age men would need to serve, an impossible burden. The most chilling part? There's no way back. Even dust devils dance through the deserted landscape. The nursing home's halls echo with the quiet sorrows of its residents, a symphony of solitude and forgotten stories. A stark reminder of the isolation endured by so many elders. Each face, and time whispers stories of lives lived and loves lost, etched with the poignant beauty of aging. The scariest part? There's no way back. Even if fertility magically tripled tomorrow to replacement level, the population pyramid would still be completely distorted by 2060. The economic impact will be catastrophic, casting a pall over the already strained atmosphere. The demographic freight train has left the station. How did it get this bad? South Korea supercharged all the usual factors that lower birth rates: extreme work culture, sky-high living costs. The weight of the nation's fate hangs heavy in the air, as each official grapples with the gravity of the unfolding disaster. Sunlight bathes a modern university classroom, where rows of students absorb knowledge amidst the gentle hush of pens and paper. A profound shift is hinted, and begin to dissolve into a vision of tomorrow. In a chilling prophecy, schools and universities will close from lack of students. Rural areas will become ghost towns as youth concentrate in Seoul, or leave the country entirely. The once vibrant streets are now desolate, hinting at a future where the heart of the countryside fades into memory. What will be the legacy of South Korea? There's no way back. Consider the future and potential solutions. Resonating with the weight of impending decisions,